In alimony, there is rehabilitation alimony, where a wife gives her husband, or if the husband is the wife, if the wife is the moneyed one. Let's talk about the husband being the moneyed spouse and the wife was a stay-at-home mom. Now she gives him a rehabilitation plan of 5 years, and I'm going to be a teacher or a nurse or something after 5 years and making $40,000 or $60,000, and then the alimony can be reduced or terminated. But right now, I need full boat for these next 5 years. Another form of alimony is called limited duration alimony, or LDA. Limited duration alimony is, again, for a term of years. The rehab was 5 years, it could be 4 years, it could be 6 years. And with the rehab alimony, the wife has to give a plan of action. What's going to happen? The term of alimony, the limited duration alimony, no plan of action necessary. It is for a defined amount of years. So it could be for the same 5 years that the rehab alimony was. The difference between the rehab and the limited duration alimony is if you're the husband, you want the LDA. 5 years and I'm done. With the rehab, the wife could say, well, I'm not quite there yet. It's 5 years, but I need another year and a half. And now the judge has to decide. So rehab alimony, while it's on the books, if you're asking me, and I have the person who's paying support, I want limited duration alimony. If I'm the person getting the support, I want rehab alimony. The difference, though, and when it changes, is the rehab alimony will never be for more than 5 or 6 years max. Or the limited duration alimony could be for 10 years, 12 years, 15 years. So again, fact specific. If it's going to be an LDA of 5 years or a rehab of 5 years, you go with LDA. But if the alimony is going to be LDA for 10 years, there's not going to be rehabilitative alimony. It's not an option. So your options are rehabilitative alimony, limited duration alimony, open durational alimony, and there's another alimony called reimbursement alimony, and that's where one spouse has put the other one through college or law school or medical school and paid their money, took their money and paid it, and are now seeking reimbursement of those school fees, those educational fees. Not often used, maybe 10 or 10% of the cases that I've seen it in, maybe not even that. But limited duration, very common. Open durational, common. But most of the cases are limited duration alimony.